So we're going to look at some of the advanced features if you want a custom-made special ed IEP progress monitoring system for your district. So what we're going to see here is what your DOS or your principal is going to see on the left-hand side. So that'll be their view. And then we'll have our individual teacher view on the right side. So for your building or district, you will have a file for every specific person, each of your special ed teachers. So if we go in and look at that, we can look at one that's already been done. So this student already has their background information and has some of their data. But I'm going to show you how to quickly set up all of these tabs for your first, second, third student. So we'll go to this different teacher and we'll put some names in there. Tom, Dick, Mary. And we have our template page, which is our base file that we're going to start from. So if we follow the directions and put all of our roster of students in here, go to Template tab, Run Template tab. It's going to ask us if we want to authorize it. We say yes, please allow. We'll only have to do that the first time, but when we run it, we're going to see that there's going to be a tab created at the bottom for each of the students we put in our roster. And it's also going to put the students' names. So, as you can see, as a DOS, I can see that Sarah has now put her roster of kids in. So Tom, Dick, and Mary are now listed under her roster. And as your teachers continue to add tabs of students, those names will go in here. Another one of the advanced features is as my progress monitoring data is filled in, I also have a tab called Progress Monitoring Data, where for each of the students on my roster, I can see at a glance what is their goal 1, what's their baseline score, and what's their goal. This is a spark line of all their progress monitoring data as well. So the red is their final baseline. The top of the cell is their goal. So we started at 20. The top of the cell is going to be where that goal is. So according to, if I'm looking at Peter Dinklage's progress monitoring data, he has already met that goal. So I can see that both as the special ed person at a glance, or if I'm the DOS, I can come in and look at progress monitoring for the entire district. So as this changes for the individual teacher, so say I have a new student and I'm just going to reuse a name that already has data in it. As your special ed teacher adds that name and it pulls that data, your special ed person for the district, your DOS, your principal, they're going to be able to see that in real time as well. So as one is updated, so is the other. And that goes for all 7 goals that are listed here. So again, my DOS can come in and see this is one elementary school, here's my 4 teachers, there's their roster, and then I can come through and browse R. Gibbs's roster, S. Wright's roster, S. Markwell's, on and on and on as I go through for the rest of the district. So, a couple extra bells and whistles, being able to share data, having access to all your special ed teachers in one place. So, hope you enjoy. Let me know if you ever have suggestions for improvement.